Okay.
Hello.
Hello. We are Mischa Draxler, and we actually think that self-produced design has a lot to do with locality, in a way that the pieces can be produced in a very small community as well, and it's kind of probably not the biggest machines are needed or the most advanced technology, that you can work with local craftsmen as well, or that you produce them by yourself.
But still it should have a factor of reproducibility, so things should be possible in series, even though maybe the individual pieces can be different from each other, but it should be possible to produce in a series.
Yeah, and this also brings kind of, on the one hand, independency of bigger companies. On the other hand, it also brings in a lot of flexibility. So you can easily react to opinions from people or to change small little details. So it can also be that it's more kind of a system where small unique pieces could come out as well.
So it offers a lot of flexibility and diversity in the sense of production possibilities. But at the same time, I think one has to be very careful about qualities and how to keep sustain quality in the products that come out of it, because sometimes it tends to be a bit unfinished. So still the quality needs to be very refined.
Yeah, and I think that's why also Open Design Italy is a very good point to get the first reality check in a way, so that you can present your work to the audience, so either potentially customers or companies, and then also by all the reactions and all the questions you get, and you can adapt the project or develop it further.
Yeah, and use the feedback by audience and professionals in order to come up with better solutions. So in that sense, it's a very good format, we think.